Now just see in your mind's eye these strong tree roots of yours wrapping around. You're now in the core of the earth, the deepest core of Mother Earth, and they're wrapping around this big, beautiful crystal. It can be any colour you wish. See your strong roots wrapped around this crystal in beautiful Mother Earth. You are now strongly grounded into the earth. And you can do this every day. Strongly grounded, you are occupying all the space in your vessel as a sovereign being. And now I want you to imagine bringing this beautiful earth energy, this powerful energy up through your roots. Feel it coming up your legs now, activating your legs. It's activating your spine. It's awakening parts of you that have been dormant. It's energizing you. Feel this beautiful energy from Mother Earth energizing your body now. And see it bursting out of your head. And it's connecting you to every single thing in the cosmos, in the universe. Because we are all one unified field. There are infinite possibilities. There's infinite potential for you. It's limitless what you can achieve, what you can do, the potential for your manifestations, love, joy, abundance, harmony. You're now strongly grounded, occupying your vessel and fully connected back into the grid, into the cosmos, into the unified field of oneness. Guys, if you enjoyed this, please leave me a comment below because I might do some more of these. This is a meditation I do with my clients and I find it's really helpful for them. I've had good feedback. If you are ever feeling ungrounded, do your tree roots exercise. Honestly, it's so good. Sorry, I need to be looking at the camera here. And do your breathing to occupy all the space in your body. When you're fully occupying your vessel, there's no room for anything else. Just you, okay? It's your body. You occupy it. Own it, as they might say. I am sending you so much love, light, and divine blessings. And just know that you are absolutely perfect, just as you are. And everything within you is already there. You don't need to find yourself. You are already 100% whole, healed. You just have to step into it. And I will help you on your journey. I love you so much. Bye-bye.